Yeah, so we're in Coates Chapel right now, a historic place in San Antonio that UT San Antonio has been holding events and doing different kinds of gatherings. And I love this space because it was a space that was commissioned in the 1800s. And we're doing all of this futures thinking work in this space. So it's old meets new right now in the room. And I'm here hosting an event called the Innovation Crawl. This was actually an idea from two of the facilitators and co-founders of this event, Ruben Pointadura and Mike Yates, who said at last year's event, we really need a hands-on day. We really need some time before we get started planning out the future of education technology to just get our hands dirty, to think about some low-level ideas, and also use a lot of storytelling concepts, narrative principles, futures literacies principles to get ready for all of the work that we're going to be doing the next 2 days at the Design Summit. AI is obviously on the top of everybody's mind, and like, what is our humanity related to how AI is changing the way that we think about education and also the ways that we think about what it means to be a human. So there are a lot of different activities that are bringing in AI as both a partner but also an adversary, thinking about where AI can do good versus doing harm. We also have a lot of folks that are just going back to the basic principles of doing hands-on crafts. So Mike Yates is behind me, and he's having people think about building things for the future, but is having them construct things with popsicle sticks and paper plates. So it's low tech meets high tech, it's old meets new. Everything's in dialogue in this space to get us ready for all the amazing work that we're going to be doing. Everybody comes in with challenges that are really personal to them, their own personal values, the environments that they're within. We have people from all over the globe that are actually convening here within this space. For a lot of us, I think our commonality is that we really care about education. We really care about as many people as possible having access to a meaningful education, especially as the world continues to change. A lot of times within higher ed, and really education in general, it's really hard to make meaningful change. And UT San Antonio, in terms of their pillars and their values, are really looking towards innovation that is actually meaningful to the community, that's not only in San Antonio, but all of the learners that they serve, and where those learners go out into the other communities that they will then be established and be at. So it's amazing that we're doing it here within this space where you have all of these educators convening, knowing that taking that spirit of innovation, but practical generative action, not just dreaming up things that we couldn't possibly do, is happening at an institution that really cares so deeply about that happening for their community.